welcome back to Art with Ms. K, where every week we dive into a new art topic and create our own masterpieces and learn a little something new. We're diving right into it so you can create something nice and spooky for Halloween. Today we're learning how to create this quick and easy spooky moonlit sky with bats. So let's go over the supplies you'll need and just get started. So here's what you'll need if you're wanting to join in but don't quite have the right or all the supplies. No worries. I set up an Amazon list where you can find the supplies you might need located in the description below. So check that out. For today, you'll need heavy paper or even watercolor paper will work great. Pencil and an eraser, oil pastels, or you can even use crayons, and a circular object to trace or a drawing compass. Like I said, my friends, today's lesson will be super simple and takes minimal effort to get a super cool masterpiece. So let's dive into it. First things first, let's trace our circular object. This will be our moon. With that, let's place it right in the center and then move it up a smidge above that center line. Use your rule of thirds here and make sure it's not exactly center. Now that you have your circle traced or drawn, we're going to jump into our colors. Yes, already, color. Let's start with the orange, and you're going to color about 1/2 inch inward toward the center of your circle. After you get that orange in there, let's grab our yellow-orange color and color in about 1/4 inch from the orange that you already put down. Now that we have those two colors, let's start coloring in the rest of our circle with yellow, my favorite color. Here comes my favorite part. Now that we have those colors down, we're going to take our finger or a paper towel and start rubbing those colors all together in a circular motion. Another helpful tip or tool many oil pastel artists use is a Q-tip and some baby oil. This makes it a little easier for those pastels to blend in together. Here, I'm just using my finger. I wanted a little less orange in there, so I went over some of that orange with the yellow-orange pastel again. Now that we've got that moon filled in nice and bright, let's grab our night sky colors. I'm grabbing a dark blue, a regular blue color, a teal, and a bright green. First, let's drop our oil pastels onto our moon like so. Just kidding, don't do that. It's easily fixable if you're using oil pastels, just rub it in. Take your darkest blue and start coloring in the corners like so. And then we'll move on to the regular blue and color along the outside of that dark blue a little bit, and then add a little bit to the outside of your moon. Just a circle or two on that outside is perfect. Then add some of that light blue or teal after that, and just one little line of that bright green color. And color in the rest of the night sky with that teal color. Now you know what to do after this. We're going to start blending all of these colors in. Start from the outside and start moving inward. Now that we have our page all colored in, let's add our bats. Let's grab our pencils and start with writing a capital M. Yep, a capital M. And from the bottom of that M, you're going to do a half or a quarter circle upward to start drawing that wing. Add it to both sides. From the tip of that, draw a slight squiggle line outward to finish off the top of the wing. Do it to both sides like so. And then start adding in those half circles at the bottom to start finishing off the bottom of the bat's wings. Easy. Now that you have that big bat added in, start adding in a few more bats to your picture and practice drawing more bats like that in various sizes. The wings don't have to be perfect, just imagine them flying through the night sky. Add as many as your heart desires. After you get them drawn on there with pencil, grab your black oil pastel or your black crayon, whichever you used, and start coloring in those bats black. There you have it, mini makers, your very own spooky bat night sky. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun and enjoyed this video on how to create a spooky bat night sky in oil pastels. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep creating. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, comment what other art projects, objects you'd love to learn to draw, or artists you'd love to learn about, and subscribe to Art with Miss K. Be sure to share your creations with me on social media or shoot me an email with a picture of your art at info@minimakersart.com for a chance to be featured on my website. That link is in the description below as well. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and remember, the world needs your creativity. Thanks, guys!